Have you completed tutorial after tutorial and still feel like you don't know how to code? Today let's get you unstuck. I'm Ben, this is Learn Code by Gaming, and today we're talking about Tutorial Purgatory. Today's topic came from my friend Corey on Facebook. Thanks. So what is Tutorial Purgatory? Tutorial Purgatory is a situation a lot of new programmers find themselves in, where they do tutorial after tutorial, but they don't really ever advance beyond that. If you just follow along with tutorials forever and you never apply your knowledge, then you're never going to become a successful programmer. If you find yourself in this situation, there's really only one way to get out of it. You may not like the answer, but the only way to get out of this cycle of jumping from tutorial to tutorial is you just need to do it. You just need to start a project and apply the knowledge you gained from these tutorials. So in this video, I'm going to give you 3 ways to find a project. And as a bonus, I know there are some of you out there who have known for a long time that you need to start a project, and you just haven't done it yet. So at the end of this video, I'm going to share a trick with you that can change your mindset and get you moving forward again. So 3 ways to find a project. Strategy number 1 is, think about what kind of job or career you want to start, and then decide what would be a great portfolio project to get into that career. Go through the job postings and pick out 2 or 3 job listings that you would be really excited to work at that job. And then from there, decide exactly what kind of project would impress those employers. You might even talk to somebody at one of these companies and figure out what would impress them most. For example, if you want to be an iOS developer, make an iOS app. It doesn't really matter what the theme of the app is. Think about your hobbies or something you enjoy doing, and make an app about that. It's really the features that matter. The second strategy is to get involved in an open source project. Not only can these give you great coding experience, but they also give you experience working as a member of a team. Open source projects can be a great opportunity to work with more senior developers, and they look really impressive on a resume. It's also a charitable thing to do, and you're helping out the whole community. If you'd like more information about fun open source projects, let me know in the comments below. The third strategy is just to pick a project that you find fun or interesting. If you pick a project that you find fun, you're more likely to stick with it and make some real progress. I find any project that involves video games to be fun and interesting, because games by their nature are designed to be fun. This is my personal favorite, and it's what Learn Code by Gaming is all about. I've got some great video game content planned, and I can't wait to share it with you. So now for the bonus. Maybe you know you need to build a project, but you just haven't been able to bring yourself to do it. Maybe you have a fear of building something on your own without having a tutorial to guide you through it. So here's my trick to get through that. Remember a time from your childhood where you were really scared to do something, but you decided to do it anyway. And then after you did, you were really glad that you made that decision. Maybe it was the first time you rode a bike, or the first time you went down a water slide, or the first time you asked a girl to dance with you. I want you to remember that situation, feel those emotions, and then use that as a template for how you're going to feel when you start your coding project. It's going to be scary at first, but after you get started, you're going to love every minute of it. If you only make the choice to get started, you're going to have a blast, and you're going to feel accomplished. So just do it. So that's all I've got for today. If you liked this video, if it was helpful to you, subscribe and stick around.